Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car paint protection films on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Vivid 3M Scotchgard Clear Paint Protection Vinyl Film. There's nothing wrong with choosing a well-known brand because, as customers of Tim Hortons' failed Beyond Meat experiment found out, sometimes you do indeed get what you pay for. This roll of paint protection film is a healthy 6 inches wide, making it ideal for the leading edge of a hood or the perimeter or car doors. A good 5 feet of the stuff means a single roll should take care of the square footage on the edge of your car's hood that's constantly being assaulted by bugs and road debris. Beyond that, though, you'll want to order more than one. The 3M company has been making these types of items since essentially the dawn of time, alleging this particular product is virtually invisible once applied. Having seen this precise protection film in action, your author can assert it is definitely tough to see, with only a fine line of delineation marking the edge where the film ends and unprotected paint begins. Pros. Trusted brand name, is truly a near-invisible product. Cons. Short-ish roll length. Number 2. Our second best pick is JDMBESTBOY Clear Paint Protection Film. You'd think combining parts of Best Buy and Big Boy would create an electronics shop in which one can get a tasty hamburger. Apparently not. This brand offers protection film in various and sundry sizes, ranging from a minimum of 1 foot into 5 feet to 5 feet into 50 feet. The company provides a felt squeegee and knife for any order larger than 1 foot x 5 feet, which is the minimum order size, strangely. Why not simply say it's included with all orders? Anyway, this stuff is said to be made with an automotive cast vinyl and is soft enough to conform to all edges/contours. Pros. Plenty of available sizes, the price is right. Cons. Reviews are middling. Number 3. Our third best pick is Road Warrior Paint Film, Roll-On Automotive Exterior Protector. This protectant rolls on as a white liquid but apparently dries to a clear film 10 mils thick and allegedly peels off easier than it goes on. Each bottle of paint protector film will cover approximately 15 square feet of finished painted surface. It is designed for short-term use, say when you're taking the Porsche to a track day or driving the Jeep through the bathtub obstacle at Moab. Note that this product doesn't hold up well in the rain, with the seller saying it softens like the economy in damp conditions. They go on to tout that it won't remove the car's paint as you're peeling it off. There is certainly a texture to the film, so be sure you're okay with an orange peel look while this stuff is on your car. Setting it in the sun is the best quick-dry solution after application. Pros. Great for a quick dose of protection against track or trail debris. Cons. Useless as a long-term solution. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Track ARMOUR, Temporary Track Day Paint Protection. Serving a similar purpose to the protection liquid listed above but in tape form is this roll of protectant from a company called Track ARMOUR. All good companies leave little to the imagination when naming themselves and, as you'd guess from this brand, it is intended for people who track their cars but don't want them looking like a teenager's face at the end of the day. Providing temporary paint protection for track days or road trips, this clear adhesive film allegedly applies in just a few minutes assuming the car's surface is clean and dry. Said to be 4 mil thick, this stuff should shrug off track debris like a politician shrugs off responsibility once they're in office. The sellers say that it has easy workability around tough edges, meaning that it should curve around the contours of your contour with relative ease. Pros. Great temporary protection while at autox or track days. Cons. Wallet-draining price. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is XPEL Clear Universal Door Sill Guard. The next time you clamber aboard your car, take a look at its door sills. Chances are they're littered with scratches and scuffs, the culmination of people entering and exiting the thing. After all, each trip assumes that at least the driver's door will be open twice, once at departure and once upon arrival. This narrow band of clear film is designed to stick on over the door sill, protecting this high-traffic area from the scars of daily life. Its 8mm polyurethane construction should be robust enough for even harsh environments, unless you're the type to drive in soccer cleats or hockey skates. Pros: cheap insurance against scratches, easy stick installation. Cons: only helpful for this specific task. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.